If you're considering EasyTithe for your church management needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making the decision. While EasyTithe is a solid option, there are other competitors in the market that might offer more tailored solutions depending on your needs, so stay tuned until the end to get the full picture. First off, EasyTithe is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for churches of any size to get started. It's simple, clean, and doesn't require a lot of technical know-how to set up. But, compared to competitors like Planning Center or Breeze, EasyTithe might feel a little more basic in terms of features and customization. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. EasyTithe is subscription-based and offers a range of pricing tiers depending on the size of your church and the features you need. While it's more affordable for smaller churches, it can get pricey as you scale up, especially when adding advanced features like text to give or integration with your existing tools. It's important to compare these rates with those of other software like Tithe.ly or ChurchTrack, which may offer more flexibility in the long run. The third thing is the mobile app. EasyTithe offers a mobile giving app that is quite functional, allowing your congregation to donate easily from their smartphones. However, other software like PushPay provides more comprehensive features in their mobile app, such as event registrations and sermon streaming, which could be a deciding factor if you want more than just giving capabilities. The fourth thing to know is customer support. EasyTithe's customer support is generally responsive, with a variety of help options, but some users report that they don't always offer the in-depth guidance you might need for more complex issues. If you need 24/7 support or more robust training, you might want to check out competitors like Church Teams, which offer better customer service packages. Next up, consider the donation features. EasyTithe allows for recurring donations, text to give, and various payment methods, but some competitors, such as Tithe.ly, are more advanced in terms of offering features like donor management tools, detailed giving reports, and easier ways to track donations. The sixth thing is reporting and analytics. While EasyTithe does provide some basic reports, it's not as robust as what you'll find with software like ACS Technologies or Breeze, which offer deeper data insights and more customizable reports. If you're looking to analyze trends or track giving in great detail, you might want to consider other options. Next, let's talk about integration. EasyTithe integrates with a few tools like QuickBooks and your church website, but it's not as seamless as other platforms that connect to a wider range of third-party apps. For example, Planning Center and Breeze offer more extensive integration options, which could be beneficial for your church if you use a lot of different tools. The eighth thing is scalability. EasyTithe is designed to grow with your church, but if you plan on expanding significantly, you might find it limiting in terms of features and support compared to other more robust systems like Fellowship One or Church Community Builder. Next thing to consider is the customization options. EasyTithe allows for some basic customization, like branding your giving pages, but if you need highly tailored workflows or a unique user experience, you may find it lacking. Competitors like Church Teams and Planning Center offer more customization in terms of workflows, forms, and reporting. The 10th thing is ease of use. EasyTithe is generally easy to navigate, especially for churches just starting to manage online giving. But it might be too simple if you need more advanced functionality. Some competitors like Breeze or Tithe offer a more flexible experience for churches looking for advanced features while maintaining ease of use. The 11th thing to consider is security. EasyTithe has standard security features to ensure your donations are safe, but as with any platform, security should be a priority. If you're handling sensitive data, make sure to check the specific security certifications and protocols used by your software provider. Lastly, EasyTithe's community is active, and there are a lot of resources available to help you get the most out of the software. But it's not as large or as resource-rich as some other platforms, like Planning Center, which has a more extensive community and a larger variety of user-created content and training materials. So, is EasyTithe a good option? It definitely is, especially for churches that need a straightforward solution for donations and some basic management tools. But if you're looking for something more flexible,